Yeah, keep it up. I liked it. Now you know those are Niet. Those lights are Niet. You want to sit in the timeout chair? It's your choice. Alright, I guess the answer is yes. You get to sit in timeout now. Vanya, you stay here till I tell you you can get up. You stay there. Don't mess with the lights. Don't mess with the Christmas lights. Yet you stay. You stay in that chair. You're in timeout. Because you messed with those lights. Yes, you stay there. You're in the timeout chair, remember? You disobeyed Maker. You need to stay here till I tell you it's time. Okay, you can get down now. All done. All done. Yep. You can get down. Yeah. Okay. Look, here's a puzzle. You gonna play with the puzzle? Do you remember how the shapes fit? They fit like that. Almost. That's right. It goes in there. How do you turn it so it fits? Almost. Keep trying. It'll fit too, you just have to keep trying. They're all in there. You don't like that blue piece, huh? Good job. You did it. Ivan, you're so smart. You figured it out. That's right. Let's do it together. Here's the piece. And the puzzle. It's not just because it's orange, it's because of the way you pick it up. Yeah, you can do it. I know you can. You're smart enough to. You can do it before. It's one of those things that you just learn over time, because you're getting smarter and smarter as you get bigger and bigger. You're going to lose all your puzzle pieces, though. I've got lost. Here's the blue one. You did it! You did it! Good job! You put it there all by yourself. Yeah. Good job. Time for your dump truck, Nanero. You got a sock! Oh, there it went. 여기다? You don't have to throw it on the floor to make it fit. It'll fit just fine. You just have to move it around. Yeah, that's right. It's in there pretty good now. There. See, now that's pretty close.
Have you got a smile for Pappy?
See this top part here?
How you got a
It fits in
smile?
that top part there. Lucy!